Have you ever wondered how websites function? There's a secret ingredient behind many of them, and it's called PHP. PHP, short for Hypertext Preprocessor, is a popular scripting language widely used in web development. With its power, developers can create dynamic and interactive web pages, bringing a static web page to life. It's like the wizard behind the curtain, the string puller in a puppet show. So essentially, PHP is a behind-the-scenes magician, making websites interactive and engaging. Now you might ask, what exactly does PHP do? Well, PHP is a powerhouse that performs a myriad of functions. It's primarily used for server-side scripting. That's where PHP really shines, executing scripts on a server to generate dynamic web page content. But that's not all. PHP also excels at command-line scripting for running scripts without any browser. And yes, it can even write desktop applications. Now think of a website as a restaurant. PHP is the diligent waiter who takes your order, collects form data, whips up a sumptuous meal, generates dynamic content, and delivers it right to your table, sends and receives cookies. In essence, PHP is the bridge between a website and its users, facilitating a smooth interactive experience. What tools does PHP use, and what can you do with PHP skills? Well, let's delve into that. PHP developers often rely on a range of tools to streamline their work. XAMPP, for instance, is an open-source software that provides an easy-to-use control panel for managing PHP environments. Then there's Sublime Text, a sophisticated text editor for code which offers a slick user interface and extraordinary features for PHP coding. Now, what about career prospects? PHP skills can lead you into various exciting roles. You might find yourself creating dynamic web applications as a web developer, crafting cutting-edge software as a software developer, or even managing complex databases as a database manager. With PHP in your toolkit, you can build engaging websites and open new doors in your career. To sum it up, we've explored PHP, its diverse functions, the tools commonly used, and the promising career trajectory for PHP developers. So next time you use a dynamic website, remember, there's probably some PHP magic happening behind the scenes.